Hey everyone, this is Julie Petway. So as you can see from my family tree, I was not able to find too much information. So I was born in Florida. I have one child. He was born in Colorado. My parents passed away 2 years ago, in Colorado. My mom was born in Florida and moved to Colorado in 2009. My dad was born in Maryland, and as well, both of them moved to Colorado in 2009 to be close to where I moved to. My mom was a stay-at-home mom. My dad opened a transmission shop, so she would work there whenever they started that when I was in middle school in Florida. My mom's side, her mom, Joyce Lawrence, had 7 kids. She passed away in 2006. She was a stay-at-home mom. Most of the children had different dads. My mom's, I'm not able to ask her, but from what we've talked about previously, she didn't know his name, but was pretty sure he was Irish, which makes sense because she did have red hair and blue eyes. My dad's side, Gaynell was his mom. She had 2 kids. Richard was his dad, and they divorced whenever he was very young. And then they moved from my grandma from Maryland to Florida, Lake Wales, to be by her parents at that time after they both divorced. She was a stay-at-home mom, and then he was actually in the Navy. That's where they met, close to Maryland, at the base. Education-wise, both of my parents graduated high school. My dad went on to gain some college courses for mechanics and transmission. All English, as far back as even past my great-great-grandparents, all in the United States, more than likely in my mom's side, most of them from Florida still, and then my dad, Stanley, on that side, but I believe Maryland as well. That's about all I was able to find on my Peeps. Thank you.